Don't be scared. It's the ocean. You want to go in the water? And go for a swim? You want to go for a swim? What do you think of that ocean? Different, huh? You like water. Gonna jump? No, no. Stay out of there. No, no. Get out of there.